And this is Southern Illinois. Yeah. Ice. Ice, ice, baby. You see the ice forming on everything. This is rain. I mean, it's fallen as rain. Sucks. Wanted to take him for a ride. Been afraid to get this phone wet and tear it up. It's brand new. You know what I mean? Yeah, it really sucks. Really freaked cold out here too. But yeah, I got trees sagging. And if this keeps doing this, then it's like my power line right there. It's sagging pretty good. All those trees across the road there where my power lines are. We'll end up with no power. I mean, I got all dressed up for this, so if the rain stops, I'll take him for a ride. Let me show you how dumb I look. Give me a second. Yeah, this is how I dressed up. It's not exactly on there straight, but got my bibs on. I got my phone holder here. Just gonna try to get some riding done, but yeah, I don't know now. I'll give it a little while, see if it's gonna quit raining. If it turns to snow, then we'll go for it. So I'm gonna pause it out and let's hope for the best. It kinda stopped raining for 2 seconds. It's now or never. Ah. I don't know how well y'all can see that. I'm getting wet. Probably gonna screw my phone up. Probably not the greatest idea. Yeah, let's get this home. I'm stopping.